Deputy Agriculture Minister Chua Yong says China has not imposed any ban on the import of bird nests from Malaysia. Speaking at a press conference at his office on Tuesday, he says the General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine, or AQSIQ in China, has confirmed this to the Malaysia Agriculture Councillor's office in Beijing.
Apa yang berlaku adalah mereka sedang mengambil sampel untuk shipment yang masuk, di mana terdapat segelintir daripada sarang burung yang masuk ke China itu, nitrate level dia, iaitu NO2, adalah bukan zero. Di negara China, mereka mempunyai standard bahawa sarang burung perlulah mempunyai nitrate level kosong. Walau bagaimanapun, kita mengetahui bahawa terdapat pengeluar yang boleh memenuhi standard ini. Maka bukan sarang burung Malaysia dilarang masuk negara China. Itu adalah rumor. Hanya yang tidak mematuhi standard yang tidak dibenarkan masuk.
He says the ministry will have a meeting with the Chinese Trade Council in Malaysia to discuss and find an amicable solution to the issue. He said the veterinary department has put a concerted effort to streamline the development of the bird nest industry in Malaysia. Chua says China imports about 1 billion ringgit in bird nest products and is the biggest importer as the people there believe in its herbal products. Bird's nest is among the most expensive animal products consumed by humans and has been used in Chinese cooking for over 400 years, mostly as bird's nest soup.